Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is just a quick tutorial on how I install my client's glueless frontal wig. The wig that I'm using today is from my collection. As you can see, it is a Hollywood HD lace, so it's very thin. This lace is perfect for glueless installs. It just looks seamless and very natural. So I've already tinted the lace off camera. I'm just going to cut the lace around the ear just so it fits nicely on my client's head. I'm just going to go over the frontal with my hot comb. I do not miss this step. This step is very vital. It just kind of just lays the edges nice and flat. And all the products that I'll be using today will be in the description box, guys, so please do check that out. So now I'm going to be using my mousse. As always, if you're someone that does watch my tutorials, you know that I always lay my edges with some good mousse. Yeah, this just basically helps it lay extra flat. We just want a flat frontal. Last but not least, I'm going to be using the famous Got To Be spray, just to spray over the frontal. It just kind of like leaves a nice perfect finish. And I'm going to be using my rapid strips. I love these strips so much. It just helps the wig lay super flat, and they're disposable, so it's absolutely perfect. So now I'm just going to cut the lace. I just prefer to cut along the middle. I just find it very easy for me. Also, I don't cut in a straight line. It's always good to like cut in a like jaggedy, you know, wonky line. Just kind of gives it a natural look. This is the final look, guys. How natural does this wig look, please? Oh, it looks so amazing, and no glue whatsoever was used. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe, and turn on that notification button. And yeah, I'll be with you next week with another tutorial. Stay blessed, guys. Mwah.